Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And on this episode, I have the new Motorola phone, the one that everybody's been trying to get, but they can't get it because it's sold out. They're even sold out at the Motorola website. For some reason, it's a very popular phone, and this phone, I have to admit, has got to be one of the most high tech, most amazing phones in the market. This phone has 128 gigabytes of storage. Of course, has Google Cloud also, and it has 4 gigabyte RAM and 48 megapixels with three cameras in the back. You heard it, 48 megapixels with three cameras in the back. And in the front, I believe, I'm not sure because I haven't completely seen it. The lady at the store already opened it and activated it for me, so it's not completely an unboxing, but I put everything back so it could look like an unboxing because the lady needs to open it so she can transfer my number and all that. But this is it, guys. The Moto G Stylus. It's a Motorola phone that comes with a stylus pen. But oh, and it also has, it says it on the back here, it has Dolby Digital Audio. This is the first phone to have Dolby surround sound digital audio. So the speakers must be really good, the sound and everything. And yeah, 128 gigabytes, and the color is fantastic. So let's unbox it here. First thing you get is the phone. Put that to the side, as always. Over here we get the Metro by T-Mobile SIM card thing, which already been used by the lady at the Metro PCS store. You get the little SIM ejection tray. You get the manual and some other stuff. Over here, you get your typical, usual wall outlet plug for the US, unless you're from another country. And of course, your USB Type-C cable. I just love unwrapping USB Type-C cables and stuff brand new. The smell of brand new. Here's the phone itself. It's very blue and shiny, like kind of like pearl blue. It has the Motorola sensor. There's the 48 megapixels. There's one camera, three other cameras. There's the flash and some other stuff. It has another camera here on the side. USB Type-C. A headphone jack. Dolby 3D surround sound Atmos. Here you get your little pen that I was talking about. Power, volume up and down here. And that's about it. There's really not much else. Oh, this comes with Android 10, not Android 9, which is pretty cool. Look at this cool wallpaper. And well, guys, that was the unboxing of the new Motorola Stylus G, the phone that is hard to get everywhere. Literally, I called 25 different Metro PCS stores and they told me they were sold out. Finally, one store finally had one, and I said, hold it for me. It's mine. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next week or whenever I do an unboxing, which another one's coming soon because I need to buy a laptop. So, oh yeah, and some Pioneer headphones I got, Pioneer DJ headphones, and DJ mouse, Logitech mouse. So you can see the unboxing of that too coming up soon. See you later.